Hello traders, hope you all enjoy trading. As usual, at the end of every week, I share some of my entry reasons. Hope that will help you to improve your skills and help you to create your setups. Let's begin with Euro NZD that I shared with you guys. Daily time frame. Daily time frame 1.84500. This is the highest price the price touched this year. So I waited the price after this huge movement to upside at the highest place and then moved to 4 hours time frame, and I saw this amazing bearish candlestick. I have a limit order, so the order activated and gave me 80 pips. And then I shared with you guys this entry, the price go back to retested the same resistance area, and then I entered another entry. And also, when the price was here, I shared also with you guys when the price was here, and I said if we have a 4 hours closure below, I will wait the price to go back to retest this 2 hours resistance and support. And that's what happened exactly. And the price closed below with this amazing bearish candlestick and back to retest. And I entered, and my trade's now running in, I think, 700 pips total. I think first two entries 240 pips and second one 150, so maybe 700 pips. This is the first trade with me and why I entered. Also CAD JPY. CAD JPY I have two entries. I entered buy trade last week. Why I entered, it was a very simple buy trade. This is a very good support and resistance for this pair. I waited for 4 hours time frame, and then I have this amazing doji or hammer candlestick, a good rejection. I moved it to 1 hour time frame, and I saw this amazing bullish candlestick. I waited the price to go back to retest, and after this closure, I entered a buy trade. It gave me 250 pips. And yesterday, 110.8. This is a very good support and resistance. It pushed the price to downside very hard. So after this amazing daily candlestick closed below this support, I waited the price to go back on 4 hours time frame. I put my limit order and it activated and gave me 250 pips, zero drawdown. GPP NZD, I have many entries on this pair, and I shared it with you guys yesterday when the price was here. I said if we have a 4 hours closure or daily closure below, it will be a great opportunity to can enter a sell trade with retest. And that's what happened exactly. The price closed below our previous support and the new resistance, and then the price on 4 hours time frame go back, retested this support and give us this amazing candlestick and move to downside 200 pips. And then I added this entry as Euro NZD. Exactly, this is a 2 hours and 1 hour support. The price closed below it, back to retest, and then I entered and moved to downside, I think more than 100 pips. Yes, 120 pips. So this was GPP NZD. GBP CAD, I have a sell trade. I shared it also with you guys since last week. I'm still in it. Why I enter, we have a daily bearish candlestick, again retest the counter thin line, and then again bearish candlestick. So I think the price will move to downside in the next few days. And this is our first support on point 76,950. GPP CHF, I have a sell trade since last week. Just an amazing trade. Why I entered, it was a very easy entry, to be honest. We have a daily closure below this resistance, the price back to retest and move to downside. Again the same, the price closed below with daily candlestick, and I entered with sell limit order and gave me 250 pips, fully closed today. NZD I shared this opportunity, full opportunity with you guys, full trade details. Why I entered, it was a very simple setup. This is one of the lowest price, the lowest areas the price touched this year or even previous years. So it was amazing support to can enter a buy trade. 4 hours time frame, we have amazing pin power candlestick. So it was a great opportunity, and now it's running in 65 pips, zero drawdown. CHF JPY, I entered as CAD JPY exactly. We have a daily closure below 174. It was a very good resistance area, pushed the price to downside more than 700 pips. So I decided after this amazing daily closure to put a sell limit order, and that's what happened exactly. The price go back to retest my resistance area 174 and then go to downside 250 pips, zero drawdown. Also, I still have NZD that I shared with you guys since last week. The same, we have the same NZD we have the same support, pushed the price to upside. This is the lowest price NZD even touch forever. So it was just an amazing place to can enter a buy trade, and I'm still hold this trade. I think it will move at least with NFB. I think at least 200 pips. Also, I have a new entry, cat CHF. It will be for free for you guys. After I killed this pair to downside 250 pips, I have amazing support. The lowest the price touched even touched this year. 4 hours time frame. We have a very good bullish price action, so I entered and now it's running in 250 pips. If the price go back, you can re-enter. Also, I have GPP, JPY, the same I entered today, the same entry reasons for CAD JPY and the CHF JPY. It was amazing closure. The price back tree test and then moved to downside 200 pips. So this was my entries for this week. Or to be honest, some of my entries, I also have Euro USD 250 pips, sorry, 25 pips. I'm still in this trade. Why I entered, it was very easy. History repeat itself. Daily closure below, the price back tree test and then move to downside. Daily closure below, I entered, I put my sell limit order at this resistance, the price touch it and move to downside, zero drawdown. So hope this video will help you to improve your skills and make a good profits. If you have any questions, you can put it in the comments below the video and we will reply it for sure. This video include, I think, maybe more than 3,000 peps per week. This week, we have a very good liquidity. I think tomorrow and after tomorrow will be very random because NFP will put push all prices to up and down. So anyone entered trades with us, you can book your profits and secure your trade. And hope you will like this video. Trade safe and have a nice day.